In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timesheets from QuickBooks Time step by step using the browser version. First, open your preferred web browser and sign into your QuickBooks Time account. Using an up-to-date browser helps ensure everything loads correctly and that downloads work smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll head straight to the reporting area. Look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. This is where QuickBooks Time gathers your export tools so you can pull out the exact information you need. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all options are available. Under the Export section, choose the type of export that fits your goal. If you need an overview of organizational structure and who manages which group, select Groups and Group MGRs Export. If your workflow tracks time against specific clients or jobs, Customer Export focuses on that dimension. And if you want a list centered on your workforce and their time details, choose Team Member Export. Pick the one that aligns with how you plan to review or share the data. Next, set the report dates at the top to the exact period you want to export. This is important for accuracy, especially if you're reconciling a payroll cycle or billing window. You can use a preset range or a custom date range. Just make sure the start and end dates match your intended reporting period. If you need to narrow things further, apply filters such as groups, team members, or customers. Filters help you zero in on a department, a specific person, or a particular client, which can reduce noise and file size. Only include what you actually need to analyze or send. When your settings look right, click Download CSV or choose Download LSX if that option is available. CSV is broadly compatible with almost any spreadsheet program, while XLSX opens natively in Excel and often preserves formatting a bit better. If your download doesn't begin, quickly check your browser's download or pop-up settings. Open the downloaded file in Excel or Google Sheets to review and share the timesheet information. Confirm that the date range is correct, headings are clear, and key columns, such as names, hours, and related customer or group details, appear as expected. If needed, adjust column widths or sort and filter within your spreadsheet to make the data easier to read before you pass it along to your team or stakeholders. That's it. Your timesheets are exported and ready to use. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.